What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe and today we're going to be doing a wheel swap on my friend's Mazda MX5 ND2. So this is Michael, he's the owner of the car. He's going to basically help us, guide us with this installation process and explain more a little bit about why he went with the Konig. Yeah, Konig, I don't know how to pronounce that. Oh, so which model are these particularly?
So these are the Hypergrams, so they're 17 inches by 8 inches. So the tire size is 215, 45, 17. The wheel offset's 45 because I don't want any rubbing issues or something like that. You can go a little more aggressive to get a deeper concave or a deeper dish, but people always get problems with rubbing. I don't want to start rolling fenders or anything like that. You can commit that to like an older car, but like a newer car, it's a little... If you pinch a fender, it's like a little ouch.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a big ouch. When we install the new wheels, right here, this bore size is actually larger than the actual bore size on the wheel hub. So when you're centering the wheel, it's a little bit harder, but when you lock it down with the lug nuts, it'll center them. But just for like a little peace of mind, you can get these hub-centric rings. Right here's a plastic one and aluminum. So when it came with the car, the previous owner had a plastic one, but he only came with two, so I had to buy new ones. And I heard stories that sometimes these plastic ones can melt, so I just went with the aluminum ones. They're quick and easy to install. All you have to do is just place them in and slap them on.
This is how it would look like for the other ones. You see how they're flushed there, well in place.
My normal jack doesn't fit under this car, so I gotta go old school twisty.
Twisty Misty?
Yeah.
That's a good place to start lifting it up. Right there.
Right on the pinch wheel.
We have technology. All right. So the stock wheel is out.
Right here is the hub I was talking about earlier. So when you get an aftermarket rim, that circle is larger to accommodate different cars. So you get that adapter, so it's actually the
right,
same diameter.
Specifically for this, right?
Exactly.
All right, so this is the new tire and the new wheel rim. Nice. Yeah, just push it. There you go.
See how it locked?
Yep.
Without that, it doesn't lock.
All right, so of course, once you lock it in place, you could start putting in the nuts there. Don't necessarily want to tighten them just yet. You want to make sure that you have it in place so it stays like that. This is the new rim, and these are the stock ones. So completely different from the, what is this, like an 8-spoke design. It's also like finished in like this darkish silver chromey piece. Here it's like a flat gray. Looks really nice. And I believe the tires are actually a little bit thicker. These are 215s and these are 205s. So we're gonna see some more beefy. Ain't that right, Mikey?
Yes, sir.
Even from here, it looks thick. Look at that. Yeah. Next thing is low.
Yeah.
All right, so we just encountered a little bit of a hiccup with the installation with these lug nuts here from Magard. So it seems to be that either these are defective or the actual size that you might have bought in is incorrect. I don't know. Maybe we're just bozos and we don't know how to read the instructions. Who knows? But either way, we'll just go with the safer. You know, it's more comforting that way. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we went ahead and finished the first wheel. Let's take a step back and look. Wow. Big difference, you see? We make fun of girls for doing makeup for hours and hours, and look what we're doing right now. Spending hours just so our car can look a little bit better.
She's off.
Here goes numero dos. Yo. The whole car moved.
Yeah, did the wheel turn?
Yeah.
All right,
Mike, so you have a nail in the tire.
Well, I needed tires anyways. needs more front brake. Parking brake. So if you ever want to spin a lug real quick, just put it on and just spin the tire.
They don't teach you that at school, bro. They don't want you to succeed. They don't want you to succeed while working on your car. We're here to make change for you. Rim number 2 is mounted on. The driver's side is completely finished. Let's do a quick walk around now. Very nice.
Yeah, so of course the engineers weren't gonna be like, yeah, this guy's gonna crank it one by one. We're using it wrong. So this clips into here, and this goes into here, and you have a winding tool. Wow, look at that.
It's funny because when I asked him, yo, do you have a jack? And he's like, yeah, it's the winding one. I'm like, bro, we haven't been winding the way I think we should have been winding. Guess which is a new tire and which is the old one?
These stock Bridgestones for 205s. I mean, this is not a high horsepower car, but they can take some lateral G's. Like, I recommend them. They're not cheap, but if you have the price and they make them in size, these are
pretty solid.
These are
I
good,
mean, dude,
yeah.
it's lasted 2 years.
Yeah, and this for a summer tire, that's great. When I had my Mustang, I was burning through tires in 6 months. Horsepower has something to do with it, but even my fronts wouldn't last that long.
All right, guys, so we finished mounting on the new tires and wheels, and I cannot be any more impressed, bro. But yeah, initial impressions, guys, when they're on the actual car. Again, I really like the spoke design here, how it kind of like cups the brakes and stuff like that. Would these work with the БÄ package?
Yeah, so with the БÄ package, most wheels actually don't. These do, since the design is a very clearing up for brakes. I heard it's a tight fit, but it's one of the few rims that do fit.
Good, good. Yeah, and the tires definitely give it a beefier look, man. Look at that. I think now would be a good time to start like driving the car, getting some like outside shots, and yeah, anything you want to say?
Yeah, just gotta wash my hands first.
So as you guys saw, it looks really nice, very aggressive, very sporty as we were driving the cars to this location, undisclosed location. And so this pretty much will conclude the install and vlog video and review of the Konig Hypergram. If you guys found this video informative and entertaining, go ahead and like this video. It helps a lot with the algorithm. Anybody that wants to check out how the install process and how they look on the MX5 and D2 Mazda Miatas. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 5K. That's the goal for 2021. Mike, you gotta say anything else?
I'll be on the comments if anything, answer questions and quick updates.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.